Douglas, you can unmute yourself. Look on the bottom left-hand corner. This is the people versus George Douglas. Ticket number B123421, count one, harboring an unlicensed dog. Ticket number B123422, failed to vaccinate dog for rabies and provide vaccination against rabies. Ticket number B123423, failed to provide a leash and or responsible person for a dog off the owner's property. And then ticket number B123424, failed to prevent animals from engaging in nuisance, menacing, or dangerous behavior. Good afternoon. Please state your names for the record. Everyone, I'm gonna always, when I say state your names for the record, please let the attorney speak first. So please state your names for the record.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell, P42505. On behalf of Mr. George Douglas.
Unmute yourself, Mr. Douglas. State your name. Unmute yourself, Mr. Douglas.
Touch the microphone symbol there, Mr. Douglas.
Bottom left-hand corner.
Got it. Thank you. I'm George Douglas.
How did your client wish to proceed, Ms. Brownwell?
Your Honor, I believe this is the one that you said the offer is, there's no offer and that there's a November 7th trial date?
Oh, yes. So that would be you're waiving your jury, Mr. Douglas? You want to do a bench trial? You want to do a bench trial, Mr. Douglas?
I'm not sure what any of that is.
A bench trial is when you can have two types of trials. You can have a jury trial where you pick a jury and they decide whether you're guilty or not, or the court, which would be me. I would decide whether you're guilty or not. So which trial do you want to have? That's a bench trial.
I'll be with you.
All right, raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I swear.
All right, you understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
Okay, the court's gonna continue. You're not guilty, please set it for a bench trial for November 7th at 9 o'clock. Do you have any questions? Nope, okay, you're all set.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just writing it down.
Okay.
Is that PM or AM?
9 o'clock AM, sir.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm not used to this court stuff.
That's okay.
Hello?
Yes, you are all set.
Oh, okay.
That's it. All right, have a good one.
Oh my, oh wow. Okay.
All right, we're gonna do Ms. Romano. This is the people versus Lexa Romano. Ticket number P13555560, count one, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Please take your name for the record.
Wendy Barnwell, P42505. On behalf of Ms. Alexa Romano.
Ms. Romano, say your name.
Alexa Romano.
Your Honor, Ms. Romano showed me a registration. I believe that you had indicated that if she had that, the case would be dismissed.
All right, you stipulate the proper cause?
So stipulated.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Romano, you are all set. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Reasonover, unmute yourself, ma'am. Look on the bottom left-hand corner. This is the people versus Tanya Reasonover. Ticket number P1353677, count one, drove while licensed, not valid or improper license. Ticket number P1353671, count one, improper plates. Count two, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names, or good afternoon, please say your names for the record.
Tanya Reasonover.
Oh, you listening. Go ahead.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead, Ms. Barnwell.
Well, I believe that you had indicated that your offer was for failure to display and they would dismiss the other three remaining counts.
That is correct. Did you wish to avail yourself to that offer?
Yes, Judge.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Reasonover. Ms. Reasonover, raise your right hand, ma'am.
I got my hand raised.
Okay, I think you're frozen. Turn your video off because your connection is not very strong. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Barnwell today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
Pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea.
Yes.
Direct your attention to the date of May 16, 2022 at 1:13 p.m. on that date and time. Were you at or near Warren and Dickerson in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2004 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
And was the vehicle, were you driving while your license was not valid or improper?
Yes, ma'am.
You satisfied, Ms. Barnwell?
Defense is satisfied.
Court is also satisfied will amend that count to fail to display. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Judge.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We will proceed to sentencing. Ms. Reasonover, there's going to be a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by October 28th?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
For all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Welcome. All right, this is the people versus Victory Richardson, ticket number P1354230, count 1, accident, insufficient or defective lights, count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle, driver, and count 3, no proof of insurance. Good afternoon, please say your names for the record.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell, P42505, on behalf of Victory Richardson.
Say your name, Mr. Richardson.
Victory Richardson.
All right, there is an offer that if you plead to open intoxicant passenger, counts 1 and 3 will be dismissed. How does your client wish to proceed, Ms. Barnwell?
I informed him of the offer and he wishes to accept.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Richardson. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Barnwell today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of May 21st, 2022 at 11:07 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Woodward and Cadillac Square in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2007 GMC vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have open alcohol in that vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied, Ms. Barnwell?
Defense is satisfied, Judge.
First, also satisfied factual basis will amend the count to open alcohol passenger. You stipulate the probable cause of remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Judge.
Those tickets are dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Mr. Richardson, there's going to be a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by October 28th?
October 28th?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions?
That's the only fine I have.
Yes, everything else is dismissed.
Okay, what's that fine for again?
This is for the open alcohol passenger charge. Well,
Okay.
All right, I don't know if you have any other tickets, but for that, yes, that's the only fine you're gonna have to pay. I don't know if you have to
Okay.
pay any other fines. I don't know if your license is suspended or whatever, but,
Oh, no, ma'am, my license is not suspended.
okay, well, that should be it.
And look at the case number, the ticket number when you go to pay, okay? So you might
Okay.
want to wait until tomorrow when it's fully processed in the computer, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
All right,
All right,
this is the people versus Tony Reed, ticket number P1355604, count one, stop street or intersection, fail to stop. Ticket number P1355830, count one, driver's license never acquired. Good afternoon, please say your names for the record.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell, P42505, on behalf of Mr. Tony Reed, who's present.
Say your name, sir. You're muted.
Touch the screen and touch the microphone symbol so we can hear you.
Tony Reed.
All right, there is an offer that if he pleads to, I guess, there is no offer really.
Right, it's a driver improvement course, Judge, as a condition precedent to an offer.
All right, so you want to come back in a month, Mr. Reed, so you can take the driver's improvement course or get your license to get a better offer?
Yes, I could come back in a month.
You got to take that course. It's online.
Oh, I have to
Right,
take it on.
you know what you need to do, right? You need to take either a driver's course or you need to get your license. You understand that?
Yes. How do I take
Okay.
the course?
Can you have probation? Yeah, I'm gonna give you a phone number, and you can call the probation department. They can help you get your driver's class set up. But I'm gonna give
Okay.
you a date of November 26th at 8:35. Come back on that date, okay?
Okay.
All right. You ready? Let me know when you're ready for the number.
Okay. 1 second, Your Honor. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm ready.
It's 313
Yes.
965
965
3141.
3141.
Yes. They can refer you to a driver's improvement course to take.
Okay, and you said November.
I said October 26th.
No, Judge, you said November 26th.
Well, November 26th is a Saturday. And if I check that, but I'll do November 30th.
November 30th is your date, Mr. Reed.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
And what time again?
8:35 in the morning.
8:35.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. This is the people versus John Ryan. Ticket number P1353994, count one, drive with revoked license. Count two, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1352691, count one, missing or defective muffler. And ticket number P1353996, count one, improper plate. Good afternoon, please say your names for the record.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell, P42505, on behalf of Mr. John Ryan.
Then unmute yourself, Mr. Ryan, say your name. Look on the bottom left-hand corner, there's a microphone, you need to tap that.
You got to touch your screen. You'll see the microphone symbol. Touch that. Because we can't hear a word what you're saying. That's how you unmute. Okay, Mr. Ryan?
Come on, Mr. Ryan, I gotta practice this before y'all
Uh-oh.
take the show. It's next
Okay,
to the video.
okay.
There you are. Say your name, Mr. Ryan.
John Ryan.
All right, there is an offer. Ms. Barnwell of Mr. Ryan pleading to the defective muffler, responsible for that, and then with the drive with revoked license. Honestly, wish to proceed.
I wasn't sure what you had said. Did you say plead to count one? I know you said about the muffler, the civil infraction, but I wasn't sure if you said plead to count one, which is driving while license suspended.
Yeah, it was, yeah, plead to count one and ticket number ending in 994, which is drive with revoked license, yeah.
So were they trying to make it like a failure to display, Judge?
No, there's
Lord,
no amendment on that one.
You know, we discussed this and he's not gonna be able to get his license. So, Mr. Ryan, you could either take this offer or go to trial.
I'll go to trial.
Okay, you want a bench trial, Mr. Ryan?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Ryan. Your video's off, so you got to talk. You turned your video. Now you're muted.
Okay.
Touch the screen.
Okay.
Is your right hand up? 'Cause you
Yes.
made video. Okay, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
I'm gonna ask you if you waive your right to a jury trial to have a bench trial. Are you willing to do that?
No.
You wanna have a jury trial?
You want the jury trial on this ticket?
Oh, no, I'm sorry. I don't.
You wanna have a bench trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
All right, so the court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for November 7th at 9 o'clock. Mr. Ryan, practice on Zoom, so when you come back, you're better at it, okay?
Okay. I will. Thank you. I'm sorry.
All said, sir.
All right.
This is the people versus Catherine Dokes. Is Catherine around? Doesn't look like Catherine is around. We're gonna call Jonathan Robinson. Turn your video on, Mr. Robinson. This is the people versus Jonathan Robinson, ticket number U629544122, count 1. Brandishing facsimile firearm. Good afternoon. Please say your names for the record, starting with the Attorney Barnwell.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell on behalf of Mr. Jonathan Robinson.
Say your name, Mr. Robinson.
Jonathan Robinson.
There is an
Your
offer.
Honor, the offer was for 6 months delayed sentence. And I took great notes, but I don't remember. I think you said you're taking that offer, right, Mr. Robinson?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Raise your right hand, Mr. Robinson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Barnwell today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of April 20th, 2022 at Brush in Lafayette. I'm sorry, April 20th, 2022 at 11:50 p.m. On that date and time, were you at the location of Brush in Lafayette in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, did you draw or brandish a facsimile firearm?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Ms. Barnwell?
Defense is satisfied, Judge.
All right, so this is a 6-month delayed sentence, so we'll proceed to sentencing. Let me find a date in 6 months. There is gonna be a $200 fine, Mr. Robinson, that you're gonna have to pay the $200 by the end of the 6 months. No further, no tickets, no citations, so essentially no further police contact.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you do that, this will be dismissed off your record, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
March 28th.
March 28th, thank you. March 28th is gonna be your next date, okay?
Okay.
So March 28th at 8:35 is your.
8:35.
Yes, so you'll zoom in. You do all that's been asked of you, this will be dismissed off your record.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Good luck to you, Joe.
Thank you. March 25th.
Catherine Dokes back.
Ms. Dokes, can you please touch the screen? We're calling you in the courtroom.
Catherine about to get another date.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Can I get that date again?
March 28th.
at 8:35, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Welcome. What did Ms. Doak say she was gonna do? Well, I don't know. Did she want
Your Honor, we didn't know what was gonna happen with count 3. We saw that I didn't hear what was gonna happen with count 3. Hopefully it's being dismissed or reduced to failure to display. I saw that she had count 1, unregistered, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, driving while license suspended.
the offer was in proper place for count 1 and then dismissing counts 2 and 3?
Okay, she said she was gonna take that
But
because I gave her 2 scenarios. Either they're dismissing it or they're reducing it to FTD, which is failure to display. Sometimes we don't hear that well in the Zoom. So I discussed that with her, but my goodness, where is she? Miss Dukes.
well, we gotta give, it's 3 o'clock, she about to get another day.
Pardon?
I said she's gonna get another day.
Okay.
What day should we get it?
Hmm.
What we trying to do, trial date?
She was gonna plead, but she's not on the screen, and it's like she fell asleep or something.
We can get rid of, that way she got time to call and figure out what day it's gonna be.
All right, so she can come back, we can set it for a pre-trial for November 7th at 8:35. So that is it for the day.
Okay, so you guys gonna send that to her because I don't know.
Actually, you gonna send that, you gonna give her notice?
Maybe it will.
Or when she calls, and she's probably gonna call back in.
Yeah, she
Yeah,
needs to
she
call.
probably,
When she
most of the
come-
time they call.
Okay,
Okay.
we'll call when she gives her that date. All right, Ms. Barnwell, thank you very much.
Take care, everybody. Have a good day.
Okay, you too.
Okay.
Thank you, Michelle.
Thank you, Judge. See you next time.
See you next time.